Today we will be making fresh pesto from freshly picked basil leaves. The combination of flavors from the fresh basil, pine nuts, parmesan, and lemon create a wonderfully smooth and pleasing burst of flavor in your mouth. Pesto can be served with bread as a dip or pair it with your favorite pasta. Let's get started. If you like this demonstration, please let me know by clicking the like button below and subscribing to my channel. I have more great recipes and cooking tutorials on the way. There is also a link to a printable PDF copy of the recipe in the description below, as well as a link to the Spice of Life blog and Facebook page. I hope you check them out. Enjoy!